Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a really easy slip knot. So this is the easiest way to make a slip knot. So you want to grab your yarn and have the tail end in your left hand. You want to wrap the yarn around your index finger twice. So you've got 2 loops and then just hold it with your thumb. You want to get the left loop, pull it over the right, keeping it on your finger, and then again repeat that with the left loop, apart from we're going to pull it completely off our finger and then pull to tighten, and then that is your slip knot. And then all you do is put your crochet hook into the slip knot and then pull, and then you can start crocheting.